Get ready for a full body burner that will leave you breathless and energized. It's time to dive into the world of burpees. This powerhouse exercise combines strength training and cardio for maximum results. Begin by standing tall with your feet hip width apart. Drop down into a squat and place your hands on the ground. Kick your feet back, landing in a push-up position. Engage your core and perform a push-up, then quickly hop your feet back to the squat position. Burpees are incredible for torching calories and boosting your metabolism. They engage multiple muscle groups, including your arms, chest, core, glutes, and legs. Plus, they improve your cardiovascular fitness and build endurance. To make it more challenging, you can add a jump at the end of each rep or incorporate a tough jump for an extra burst of intensity. Push yourself to the limit and keep pushing. Burpees are efficient and can be done anywhere, making them perfect for quick and effective workouts. So let's crush it together. Brace the burn and let the gains begin.